So we're all being asked to do more with less. That's particularly important now, but honestly, it's always important, and particularly so for those of us running production fleets. In this talk, I'm going to be talking to you about the difference between waste when resources are deeply over provisioned or underutilized, or not utilized at all, versus slack when it appears like the same thing, but you're doing it with purpose. And it's important to understand that difference as you're being asked to drive costs down. So you can't operate your systems at 100%. There's variability in demand. There are going to be usage spikes. There's background activity, and if you are just running to the pace of foreground activity, the background activity is going to get prioritized out, and you will end up having to catch up to it later in foreground latency. You also need to just deal with failures. Disks fails, nodes fails, networks fail, and you need to be able to rotate demand over to the things that are still around. And so that's what I mean by slack. The excess resources you keep around to deal with unexpected spikes, unexpected background load, or unexpected failures. So this is an important topic. I hope you'll all share what you're doing to manage slack and to manage waste in the comments here. And in the next few talks, I'll cover ways of how I've reduced both slack and waste in the systems I've managed in the past.